So whenever you're working around with something over here in Vectr, what is happening is that it is automatically being saved. That means whatever project that you have right here, it's automatically being synced out online. But if you just want to make sure that something is saved out without having to worry, then you can also go around and manually save everything out. So to do that, all you need to do is right click, and over here you can see that save is an option, and once you do that, the file will be synced out and saved whatever point it is in. So there are certain time intervals where the file is being saved, but if you want to make sure that it is saved right now, then all you need to do is right click and click on save right here, or you can press Ctrl S on your keyboard as well. And that is how you can go around and manually save by right clicking on file inside of Vectr. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.